Simon's handling beyond the three-point arc, met by Smart, 16 to shoot. Screen sent by Walker. Simons drifts to the baseline, took a hard hit. And I'm not sure what they were looking at. Outlet pass grabbed by Smart. Oh, Shaedon Sharpe cocked it back. A vicious right-hand hammer. Ho-ho! Wow! The smoke hasn't cleared from the gym yet. He may get another one.
You don't have the ability to elevate and block a shot. But right here, Casey, I'm going to date myself. And you've been through this when your parents put the hand across your chest at the light when they got to quickly break. Oh, put the seatbelt on the kids. Shaedon Sharpe. One with the rim.
Wow.